Now we are seeing the sitting arrangement in a railway coach. This is well decorated fan for passengers during the hot season, hot summer. It is very helpful. This is bunk for bag and baggages of passengers. This is also a bunk, and this is sitting arrangement is there. This is 54, 53, 52, and 51 is there. This is for charging purpose, laptop and mobile. This is for lighting switch. We are taking another example. Anybody having the ticket of number 60, this is here 59. This is side upper. Like is there. Sitting arrangement also there. 55 and 56. This is also switch for fan. For charging purpose this is given. And another example we are taking 57, 58, 59 and 60. By the operating of switch with the fan. And this is the another sitting arrangement we are seeing. Well decorated, neat and clean compartment. You can enjoy the journey here. Very good accommodation for passengers. This is for emergency, how to escape in case of emergency. This is for hangers for bag and baggages. This is the chain. In case of extreme emergency, you can use. Unnecessary use means you will have fine. This is the main precaution for passengers for unnecessary use. This is all about the accommodation in sitting arrangement. Railway compartment.